Ever wondered how real people talk in English every single day? Not textbooks, Caddy. Today, Lahim every day. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Yes, thanks. I woke up feeling refreshed. How about you? What's for breakfast today? I'm having oatmeal with fruits. Do you want some coffee? The traffic is terrible this morning. I know. I left early but still stuck in a jam. I'm having oatmeal with fruits. Do you want some coffee? The traffic is terrible this morning. I know. I left early. Exactly. I love when the weather is warm and bright. I feel a bit tired after yesterday's workout. I get that. Rest is important too. Have you tried painting lately? Yes, I painted a landscape yesterday. It was so relaxing. Do we need anything from the store? Let's buy some fruits and vegetables. We're almost out of apples. Can you help me chop the vegetables? Sure. I love cooking with you. It's fun. The day went by so fast. Yes, now it's time to relax and watch a movie. Do you want to borrow my jacket? Yes, thanks. It's chilly today. The sun looks amazing today. Perfect weather for a walk. Traffic is crazy this morning. I know. I almost missed the bus. Did you finish your homework? Almost. I just need to review a little. Want some coffee?
Yes, please. I need energy. Are you meeting Sarah today? Yes, we are going shopping after class.
Have you tried painting lately? Yes, I painted a small landscape yesterday. It might rain later. I hope not. I want to go for a walk. Where should we eat lunch today? Let's try the new cafe nearby. I'm feeling a little tired. You should take a short break. It helps. Do you have plans for the weekend? Yes, I'm visiting my grandparents. What music do you like? I love pop and jazz. You? I prefer classical music sometimes. Did you go for a run today? Yes, it was refreshing. Do we need milk? Yes, and some fruits too. Can you chop the vegetables? Sure, I love cooking with you. Have you seen the new movie? Not yet, but I want to watch it this weekend. The park looks beautiful tonight. Yes, the lights are amazing. What book are you reading? A mystery novel. It's very interesting. Did you hear the news today? Yes, it's surprising. I love your hairstyle today. Thanks. I tried something new. Which dress should I wear? I think the blue one looks best on you. How's your cat? She's playful as always. Do you want to go hiking this weekend? Yes, that sounds fun. I tried a new pasta recipe. Really? Can you teach me? Me too. Let's do it together. Do you like the new phone? Yes, the camera is amazing. Which class did you enjoy today? Science. The experiment was fun. I hate cleaning the room. Me too. Let's do it together. Do you like the new phone? Yes, the camera is amazing. I want to learn cooking this month. Great idea. I'll join you. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play volleyball sometimes. Do you take sugar in your coffee? No, just a little milk. Have you traveled recently? Yes, I went to the mountains last month. Remember last summer? Yes, that trip was amazing. I love your shoes. Thanks. I bought them last week. Do you like spicy food? Yes, very much. Do you like drawing? Yes, it helps me relax. I need to sleep early today. Me too. I'm exhausted. What's your dream for the future? I want to travel the world. Any study tips for English? Yes. Speak daily and listen to podcasts. speak English really well. Thanks, you too. You're improving a lot. Which movie should we watch tonight? Let's pick a comedy. Do you like singing? Yes, I sing in the shower every day. Have you exercised today? Yes, a short walk in the morning. Did your teacher like your project? Yes, she said it was very creative. I love this calm evening. Me too, it's peaceful and quiet. Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar sometimes. Do we need anything from the store? Let's buy some snacks for tonight. Shall we go to the beach this weekend? Yes, it will be fun and relaxing. Today was great. I learned a lot. Me too. Can't wait for tomorrow's adventure. Did you enjoy today's conversation? Then don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below your favorite sense from today's video. Do you want some chocolate? Yes, please. I love chocolate after lunch. Did you do your morning stretches? Yes, it feels so good for my back. Which TV show are you watching? A comedy series. It makes me laugh a lot. Is your assignment finished? Almost. I need one more hour. Are you meeting Tom today? Yes, he wants to practice English with me. Do you like pop music? Yes, especially upbeat songs. It's really windy today. I know, my hair is a mess. Do you want pasta or a salad? Let's try pasta today. How is your brother? He's good, busy with school. I'm feeling a bit stressed. Take a deep breath. Everything will be fine. Do you like reading? Yes, I read every evening. Are you free this Saturday? Yes, let's go for a coffee. I like your shoes today. Thanks, I bought them last week. Do you play any sports? Yes, I sometimes play tennis. Do you like the new phone? Yes, it's very fast and clear. Which movie should we watch tonight? A comedy sounds good. I cooked spaghetti yesterday. Wow, can you teach me? Shall we walk in the park? Yes, it's peaceful outside. What's your dream for the future? I want to travel around the world. Is Anna coming today? Yes, she will join us soon. You speak English so well. Thanks, you too, very fluent. Do you like painting? Yes, it's very relaxing. I need to sleep early tonight. Me too, it's been a long day. Did you exercise today? Yes, a short run this morning. Remember last summer? Yes, that trip was unforgettable. Where do you want to travel? I'd love to visit Paris. Do we need anything from the store? Yes, let's buy fruits and snacks. Did your teacher like your project? Yes, she was very happy with it. I love this calm evening. Me too, so peaceful. Do you play any instruments? Yes, sometimes I play the guitar. Shall we go to the beach this weekend? Yes, sounds fun and relaxing. Your bag is so pretty. Thanks, I got it recently. Any tips for learning English? Practice daily and speak out loud. I like your scarf. Thanks. It's my favorite color. Which movie tonight? Let's watch a comedy. Do you want some tea? Yes, and a cookie too. I feel a little tired today. It's okay, tomorrow will be better. Do you like this app? Yes, it's very helpful. Shall we go for a walk tomorrow? Yes, morning is perfect. What book are you reading? A mystery novel. It's very interesting. Did you hear about the festival? Yes. Can't wait to go. Is Sarah free today? Yes, she will join us soon. Let's watch a short video. Great idea. I need some rest. I cooked something new today. Wow, can I try it? What's your goal for this year? I want to improve my English a lot. Today was amazing. I learned so much. Me too. See you tomorrow for more fun. Do you want to sound natural in everyday English? Not grammar rules, real-life conversations. Let's start talking the way people really do. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe for daily English conversations. See you next time. Keep your practicing every day.